Cover minerals and firework displays, because it's a mineralogical array. High above on a darkened night, Earth's own elements paint the light. From stone and ore, from mine and ground, science blooms with color and sound. Steady and true,
flame in the sky, a brilliant red hue.
From strontianite, deep down in the land, comes ruby fire at nature's command. Barium born of buried gray, turns sparks to emerald, vivid and great. Green waves shimmer, cool and bright, a mineral glow in the autumn night.
In a difficult art, blue is the hardest color to start.
From malachite veins and ore so rare, it cools the flame to an ocean's glare. Sodium common yet bold in roll, flares yellow gold with a powerful soul.
Even a trace will steal the show, bright as the sun in molten glow. Calcium joins with an orange tone,
From calcite cliffs and gypsum stone,
warm amber sparks drift softly by.
like sunset trapped in a cool night sky. But color alone cannot ignite, enter fuels that burn with might. Sulfur hisses, quick to wake, lowering flames for ignition's sake.
Charcoal, carbon dark and light, feeds the fire through the night.
While aluminum and magnesium start to flare.